Good morning and welcome back to Before the Noise with TJ. And today's question of the day. While the three disciples slept, how many times did Jesus go away and pray? Hint, you'll find this in Matthew chapter 26, verses 39 through 44. Comment below. Just a little background to that verse and that story. What we see is the disciples basically falling to their flesh in times where God is trying to lead them, show them how to do something, and prepare them for what's about to come. They sleep. And one of the things the flesh loves to do to us is tell us we're tired. When we first wake up in the morning, the best feeling is when you hit that snooze button and you're able to go back to sleep. But is that the right thing to do? Are you preparing yourself for the rest of the day? Think in those moments, God is speaking to you. Get up. Get into the Word. Give the day to Him. And maybe, just maybe, instead of having a hard day down your own path, He's leading you to something amazing. Let the Spirit come in. Let the Spirit take over. Don't choose the easy way out. Now, there's many different ways you can look at this verse. We have Jesus preparing for the cross, getting ready for what's ahead. And what he shows us is he knows something hard's about to happen. So he goes into prayer with the Father. So the next time that you go through something, instead of relying on yourself, go into prayer. When you have an objective or trying to meet a hard deadline, go into prayer. Ask Him for guidance. Ask Him for strength. And the next time you wake up, don't hit the snooze button. Get up and read the Bible. But to finish this out, guys, do it 3 times. And how many times did you hit the snooze button today? Have an amazing day and put the Lord first. And we'll see you all tomorrow morning.